on about 3 hours of sleep. Macca's coffee.
Alright, what we're doing is ripping out this clutch because it's burning.
And why is it burning, Cummy? Cuts are why it's burning. Yeah, that was really fun. What do you mean? Alright, so Cummy said that he spent how much? $4? $140 on this little plug right here. Right there.
And that's to cap out what?
It's really good.
Well, what is it to cap out?
Well, what does it do?
Oh, hold on, let me go get it.
Get what? You've got it in the car.
Alright, so pretty much I had an oil leak at the back here. Alright, the Dizzy goes in here. Alright, and I bought this for $114. What a scam. I tried to do it myself, but I snapped too many bits. Alright. We are doing the clutch today. So
However, we can't do it right now because we just drove.
Did some aggressive driving.
Mexican moves. And then we're just gonna have to wait until it cools down.
Yeah, like, can't do anything. This is my 1987 BMW. It blew up on me probably 3 years ago. So I built it. T28 turbo. Some engine work done. Don't actually know what, just paid for it. It's doing about 192 kilowatts, not too bad. It's had rust on that side, well here and that side, all through the floor. It's all been redone. Bushes at the back being redone. The diff blew on me on Christmas Day. That was fun. And if you look over here, it's all just been repainted all in here. This one has been CNC machined, this flywheel. I reckon it's lighter because I think, as you can tell, I've only been told this, it was like all chunky through here. And the light flywheels, I think they're like this. I don't actually know. But I'm actually gonna weigh it. Weigh this one, see if it's good. Weigh the one that's in the car. I want to get it dyno tested after the clutch because it was slipping on the dyno. And see if it's made a difference. It's just sitting at 192 at the moment, so if we can get it to 200. Hold up.
Cammy, what the f is that thing?
It's a scale. We're not professionals, so this is all I had in the house.
60.
So we're gonna weigh it. It's at 0. Holy shit.
Just under 5?
Yeah, what have we got? 4.5.
Damn.
It's an actual easy job, man. Like, exhaust, which we'll just take from here and then take the whole thing out. Do the tail shaft, starter motors, and then just take the gearbox out, man. Pretty simple. Alright, bro, I need you to hold this.
On this side?
Yeah, it's cool. It's warm there.
What is this? This is such an awkward angle. I feel like bend my legs.
The last time I tried to get this on, I got so angry. I actually love cars, dude. Yeah, so you want to come off, eh?
What's the tail stick?
Nothing else? Everything's gonna be okay?
It should be okay, man.
This is undone. Man, it's literally tail shaft, gearbox. Like, it's what I love E30's, man. It's literally just a go-kart. So this is the heat shield. It's all clean because I just got a wire wheel on it. We basically just undo this bracket here, which I think, I don't know, center bearing or something. So yeah, we take the tail shaft out, and then we can basically, take the starter motor out, take the gearbox out with the center bearing bolts because they're a little bit longer than all the others. I usually just like put them in after.
Yep.
Because dude, last time, going through all the bolts and shit.
I'll take the handbrake off now.
Yeah. It'll be fine, bro. I always do it. Put the handbrake on now. Alright, Paddy, I need you to, we're gonna take it out. I need you to do the same thing, just undo it. Yep, perfect. Actual perfect spot, eh? Alright, anyway. So basically, tail shaft is out of our way. We've got the gearbox here. We've just got these linkages here. Seb, if you want to show them. Basically, I am concerned about this leak. Definitely oil. It's definitely oil, so it looks like it's coming from up the top somewhere, but alright, let's get the starter motor out. So basically the starter motor is just there. We just gotta get that out.
Cammy. What the fuck is that? Your potato and gravy little tub. You opened all that silver gravy in there.
Oh no, why is it rounded?
Oh, no. Essentially two.
Okay boys, well we have one of the biggest problems.
Out of the way.
No, we're not gonna be able to do this job today. We don't have a thin enough socket. Like extensions, like, dude, I think we need about 400. So I'm just literally having a look everywhere. Every single extension I can find. If this works, man.
Show us the extension.
She'll go, mate. She'll. Get it in there. Alright, people probably watching at home. If you've got an E30 or you're a mechanic, we're just doing this for fun. There we go. Is that better?
Yeah, got it. You spun. It's
Woo!
spun.
Go on.
Yeah, go on.
What are you laughing at? You get the job done, man. We're gonna delete the starter motor. We don't
Push
actually
start
need it.
every time.
We're gonna weigh it and.
It's hot too.
Yeah, bro. This one's been serviced by a Judd. They're called bushers. Been serviced by him. And lubed up nicely, all the gears. It's a really nice one, this one. Shouldn't fall on my head. How heavy do you reckon this will be? There is about 2.5 litres, I think, of fluid in it. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Oh, imagine it snapped.
I love that noise.
Bit of a problem. I smell some trans fluid. Unless it's old oil. I don't know, dude, it's hard to tell. I guess we'll find out. Like, if it's leaking in the gear, like inside here, then the gearbox is not that good. We'll just have to change like I actually don't even know what it's called. It's like an O-ring or something. That we can change. It's only taken us about what, 3-4 hours. Right, so you're gonna have to lift this up. Just lift that up here. Straight up. Yeah, hold. Do not drop it now. Just, yeah, whatever you do. Okay, now, let me just move this that way. It's not that heavy, is it? Just hold it. Okay, now, it should be able to just pop out. You just hold that, Petty. Yep, she popped out.
Oh, she's light, bro.
Yeah. Yep. And down we go. Go a bit up. You got it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's nice and oily. There's no oil leak. You know what it was?
What?
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Coming from the dizzy there.
Yep.
Coming down, dropping in there, and getting all oily in there.
Yeah.
And that's what I reckon my clutch was slipping. Because oil was getting in there.
Yeah.
So my clutch is fine. Grab that. Oh my god, I was scared it was gonna drop.
Oh, fuck that on your toe would cut it off.
Yeah, oh my god, yeah, she's slipping, bro.
Oh boy.
Look at that. Holy shit, dude.
Do you want to grab the ratchet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay, so, yeah.
Oh yeah, boy.
It's not that
It's not too bad.
It's definitely that oil, bro. Look.
Yeah.
Bro. It's not that bad. See what I mean, how it's been CNC machined?
Yeah, you can see
I
it.
think it's been copied by the RHD one, because the RHD one goes like that.
Oh yeah.
So we'll get this bad one off. Let's hopefully it's no rear main seal. Doesn't look like it.
No, I don't think
all
it is.
the oil from there.
Oh, I think so too.
I've used asbestos to cover it. You mean, dude? It's gonna work.
Beautiful.
Flywheel coming out, boys. New engine.
Yeah, it's because it's only on 2 mounts. We'll shake the oil in there, mate.
She's coming. Very slowly, but.
Oh yeah, good.
Oh yeah. No rear main seal.
Beautiful. Oh, that's clean as, bro. Look at that.
That clutch does feel a bit, that flywheel does feel a bit heavier.
I told you.
That definitely has to be oil from up there.
Yeah. Oh, look at it. You can see it.
It has to come
the
from
line,
there
yeah.
and bang there. And that, bro, that's a really annoying. We've just got the gearbox out. This is the... This is the flywheel. Dude, swear to God.
Well, he weighed that one in at 4.5 kilos, just to let you guys know.
True that.
And he doesn't forget.
What do you mean, dude? You know how intelligent I am? Anyway, let's see. You can tell, man, it's a lot heavier. Let's see the difference. Oh, okay. What's that?
6 kilos.
That's
6, 7.
7 kilos, bro. That's 7 kilos, man. 7 kilos, that's pretty good. And this is 4.5. Not bad. Any difference on the back? I don't think so. All looks pretty...
No. That's more in. That's less, you got less stuff in there.
Ah, I can see that, yeah. Look at that difference. So what's that, 7?
3.5 kilos, no, 2.5 difference.
Whoa. I wonder if that's going to be better on the, like, faster.
Yeah, I reckon you'll make easy.
I think you'll rev it a lot
bit
freer. Yeah, it'll
That's
be quicker.
not that great though, because my 3.5. Well, actually,
I think it'll be good.
would it be good for the turbo? Because that turbo's like a whisker too big.
You need like an anti-lag, bro, to spool it up. That's what.
Well, that's what we can install because now I don't have a dizzy.
Yeah, true. We can actually do that. Yeah.
We can spool.
Yep.
And then we're doing a diff.
What the f is that?
Apart from that. I think I look like a pig.
Wow, Kemi. Wow, what a clean.
Now you're being a smart ass, eh?
Wow.
Now you're being an idiot.
And you broke it.
Oh no.
Big.
Oh, did you actually?
Wow.
Beautiful.
Hey Sebi, explain to me what you were just doing there.
I was using a toilet brush.
Right.
So it's a clean, it's a cleaner transmission. That's gonna get covered in oil as soon as we put
No,
it
it's
back
not
in.
going to get covered in oil, man. I get this good for bother on.